Today, let us see about storage classes in C and the C preprocessors. Storage class. When you declare a variable, before we have to specify a storage class. Storage class specifies where the variable is stored and the default initial value. It determines the default initial value, scope of the variable and life of the variable. Scope means till where we can access the variable, whereas life means how long the variable is alive. There are 4 types of storage class, namely auto, register, static and extern. In this, auto stored in a location memory. The default initial value is a garbage value and the scope is local to that block. Life also till control is within that block only. The main difference between auto and register is auto is stored in memory, whereas register is stored in a CPU registers. Memory means RAM, random access memory, whereas in CPU register, accessing the variable will be very fast than the memory. Auto is local to the block. Any variable declared inside the block is available only to that block. You cannot access outside. That is the meaning of the local to that block. Then let's see about static. The default initial value of static is 0. When the function is called in the static program, the value will be retained. Every time it is not initialized, the value will be retained. If we use global variable as a static, the variable is used only in that particular file. Whereas in extern, it is used when the variable is declared in some other file to use same variable in my file. The two files are linked and the output will be displayed at the time. At the time we have to use extern. New variable is not declared in extern. In static, the variable is used only in that particular file, whereas in extern we can use in multiple files. That is the main difference between static and extern. Now let us see about the C preprocessors. Basically, it is a step that done before the compilation. The commonly used preprocessor are macro expansion, file inclusion, conditional compilation. Macro expansion means it is a syntax of macro expansion as define pi 3.14. It is a constant one. In the program, while we using pi, it is replaced by 3.14. Wherever we using the pi, it is replaced by 3.14. It is a constant. This is the advantage of macro expansion. In file inclusion, whereas include stdio.h means it includes the header file. That less than greater than symbol looked up only in the specified list of directories, whereas quotation looked up by the current directory then looked into a specified list of directory, both. That is the difference between them. And at last, conditional compilation. If-def label, statement 1, statement 2 and end-if. This is the syntax of conditional compilation. We have to define that function. If-def function we have to define before the main function. That means only after the if-def function the statement 1 will be compiled. Otherwise it will not compiled. Based on the condition it will compile. That is known as a conditional compilation. These are all about storage classes and the C preprocessors. Thank you.